Hi again everyone. Yet another 706 clone. I didn't know I had this. And I was looking in the cupboard upstairs and I noticed this phone. I thought, oh yeah, I don't know what I've got and what I haven't got. Anyhow, this is yet another 706 clone. This is by GEC. It's numbered 61K ATS. I understand it's quite a popular phone. It's GEC 1100. That's what's on the actual diagram. Now, originally I believe these had a bell which had a single coil in it, but this one's got the standard type of bell. You see it's GEN, which is obviously General Electric company. It's got a normal dial as well. Yeah, the original one had a spoke dial. This is where they weren't ringed, they were spokes. I think they're probably quite rare. I've never seen one of those. So they were slightly different, but also, turn this one round, we've got where the regulator would be. You've got a card. Now I'll take it out and show you what's on there. It's quite tight. I'll put it back at a later date. There's what's underneath. There's what is on the card. Once again, Gen 1. Virtually nothing. You've got the shorting out one at the top there, and the bottom just goes to one set or one resistor. So as a regulator, it's not. This is all to do with, oh, we've got a pussycat again. Do you mind? Hey. This one's after more grub. Come on, have your food there. Anyhow, sorry about that. Let's have a closer look. More the standard arrangement of the phone. You've got your anti-side tone induction coil, your capacitor at the side there, normal terminations as you would normally find. In fact, everything's more or less as you would find in a 706, with the exception of this regulator, because you've got various resistors in there as well. Can you get down? The handset is standard handset, but the transmitter or microphone is of the early type. It looks a bit like a top hat, if you can get the idea. I won't take it out, but it's the old style type fitted to the ITI phones. And obviously early ones are these. The earpiece is the normal rocking armature type. Now what else? What happened I mentioned? Oh, here's the, I know I showed it in bits. Always have a look at the little diagram. There's the diagram, put it up there so you can see it. Sorry if it's shiny. Try and get these in the right spot, because these are important. This diagram does appear online on various things. It seems to be quite a popular phone. Well, that's the diagram. The case, standard case. The ring has got no numbers or anything around the outside, because that's on the dial. This pussycat wants to get in everything. She's been fed. I know. Yeah, I think that's more or less it. I'll put the phone back together again. Any comments, please leave. As I say, I don't know if I've got many more of these clone phones. I think I've probably covered most of them. But I've got plenty of other phones. I'm never going to run out of phones. And hopefully, as I keep saying this, if it gets warmer, I'll get down to the greenhouse and do some of the plants. But at the moment, I'm just too cold. I'm on this blasted Wolfram, and it makes the blood so thin that I'm constantly cold. I can sit in front of the fire and bloody shiver, so it's not very nice. So all I want is a bit of warm weather. Anyhow, I'm going to go now. I know. Yeah, I do. One very sport pussycat. Her sister's in front of the fire asleep in the other room. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Any comments please make. I say things are different all the time. See different things. Anyhow, thank you. Thanks for watching. Thank you.